up, YouTube? Ian here, and I'm going to teach you how not to spin on a helmet. First of all, hang on 1 second. First of all, you need a helmet and a broken skateboard, so you can do it like this. Alright, what we gotta do here is, you can see, put the broken skateboard on the helmet, like so. Then put 1 foot on, and as you're doing this, you want to push your body to left or right, like this, and just do it 1-footed, and have your back foot just hold up. Then you can stop with your back foot, like this. See how we just span around the room? And so, now, I'm going to show you pop shove it on a broken skateboard, if I can still do it. Hang on. Oh, I think I got it. Try it again. I didn't get it that time, but either way, you get my point. So remember, you need a helmet, broken piece of a skateboard. Doesn't matter what kind of skateboard it is. See y'all later.